we'll have a look on what are the various assignments which you guys can do after watching these videos. Because if you just watch the video and don't use your pen and paper at all, the chances that you will learn is very slim. So I would strongly recommend that use pen and paper and let us understand various assignments in sorting algorithms. Here is selection sort first assignment. Now in selection sort assignment 1, we have put a code here, but this has one bug into it. This will not work because one line has an issue. Can you find the issue yourself? So this is an assignment for all those people who are watching this data structure and algorithm course from cloning. Write a program in C or Java which sorts a given unsorted integer array of any size in descending order using a selection sort. Here is selection sort assignment 2. So what we will do is that you have to write a program in C or Java which sorts a given unsorted integer array of any size in descending order using a selection sort. So the important thing what you have to understand is that it has to do an array of any size, it should do in the descending order, and it should use a selection sort. So write a program in C or Java which sorts a given unsorted integer of any size in descending order using a selection sort. So this is what you have to do as a part of assignment 2. Now as a part of assignment 3, what you have to do is that answer these objective questions. How many passes or scans will there be through a list being sorted using a selection sort? In a selection sort structure, there is or are, these are the options. So go through all of these objectives and think through it and try to solve them. Now we will come to insertion sort. In the insertion sort assignment, here is a program to do insertion sort for an array of integer. So this is an insertion sort which I have written for array of integer. But this will not work because one line has an issue. Can you find the issue? Where is the problem in this array? Next assignment for insertion sort is write a program which sorts the array selection, insertion, bubble, merge, radix, bogo, cell, heap, quick bucket into alphabetically descending order using insertion sort. Now here is a new assignment for merge sort. Given the following 3 arrays, use the merge sort to first sort each array into ascending order and print them individually. Then combine all the elements in these arrays and form a super array where you will use the merge sort to once again order all the elements into ascending order and print final default. So what you have to do? Very simple. First you have to sort these individually and print them, and the next you have to combine all 3 and then sort it and then print it. Okay? So that was merge sort assignment 1. You can go through the merge sort assignment 2. There are a lot of objective questions here. You can just try and try to answer it. Here is a merge sort assignment 3. In this one again there is a one line of the code has a problem. So it is a merge sort written little differently, but it still works. It is a merge sort. You have to find out where is the problem in this code and why it is not working, because by default it will not work. If you just copy the same code, it will not work. Next one is merge sort assignment is write a merge sort program to arrange a given array of string into descending order. So last one was an integer, this is for a string kind of an object. Now let us go to the quick sort assignment. one of the first quick sort assignment which you could do is that discuss and give example of some data input which will give these cases in quick sort, like what kind of a data input pattern you will have to get the best case time performance. What kind of a data input you will have with some expected large data set that you will have worst case time performance, and what kind of a data size or pattern will be that you will have an average case time performance using quick sort. So all of these three, best case, worst case and average case, I would suggest that you strongly understand and do this. Now here is a assignment 2. Write a recursive function quick sort that takes as its argument an integer array, a starting subscript and an ending subscript. Okay. Assignment 3 for quick sort. Write a quick sort program to sort a list of integers. Sorting will work in such a way that the odd numbers are listed in the original order and the even are listed in the original order, but with the odd numbers first, then even numbers. So this is little complicated, okay? Quick sort program to sort a list of integers, but how it will do it is little interesting. First, odd numbers are listed in the original order, even are listed in the original order, but here is the but with odd numbers first, then even numbers. Okay. So all the odd numbers you will print first and then you will print all the even numbers. Here is a basic comparison of various algorithms: average case, best case, worst case. Okay. So generally we take care of worst case. Like this one. Order of n square. For selection sort, the worst case is order of n square. For insertion sort, it is order of n square. Self sort, merge sort, quick sort. So if you see, the merge sort is of order n log n. In worst case, it will be order of n square. In best case, it will be n log n. So average case for merge sort and quick sort is same, and even the heap sort. This table shows that with large value of input, how the algorithms compare to each other. So that pretty much combines our sorting algorithms. Now let us see few real world problem statements. Problem statement is that, suppose that a programmer is developing an application to track the activities of employees working at a small company's phone-in help desk. The programmer has decided to use the linked list data structure to store objects of the phone record class and will use methods of the list interface to manipulate the data. Is it a correct approach? If it is not a correct approach, then what should we do? A list seems to be an appropriate structure for this problem because an unknown but relatively small amount of data will be involved. The company wants the data stored in the order it is generated. The main use of the data will be to print out the list's phone records.